Welcome back to Garage Matters. Today I'll be doing my 3-year long-term review for the installation of this Dynamat on the Celica GT-Four. We'll go over the thought process of why I chose to add additional sound deadening material to this car and perform a road test to let you guys see how quiet the cabin is. Now let's talk a little bit about this Dynamat. Now the reason why I wanted to add this to the car is to help reduce the cabin noise and help reduce the drone from the aftermarket exhaust. Once you start modding these vehicles, they're gonna get louder than what it is from the factory. Now I used to not mind a really loud vehicle, but since I'm older now, it's kinda annoying to me. So I wanted to add this to the vehicle to help reduce the noise. Now this product claims to reduce road noise and vibration, and I can attest that with the installation of this product, it's an accurate claim. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. This is the leftover material after the installation. Now this is what you're going to see when you install it. This is the top side. On the back side of here, you have this wax paper that's attached to the back side of this mat right here. So the back side of this mat is sticky. Once you remove this wax paper right here, you can apply it onto the vehicle. And what you're going to do is just take this roller. You got to buy this roller separate. So you'll take this roller and just roll it onto the vehicle like that. You'll keep doing that until you get all the bubbles out, and then you're done. Let's go ahead and take a look at my vehicle. Let's make our way back to the vehicle. I've already got the trunk open. So back here, I'll show you guys how it's set up. Go ahead and move this carpet right here. So underneath the carpet, there's this additional piece right here. This is another type of sound deadening material. All you gotta do is just peel off this wax paper and then stick it onto the vehicle. But I use this extra piece right here just to lay it back here. That way it'll help reduce the noise from the muffler. Take that out as well. Now back here, all these trim pieces I'm not going to remove because I've already reinstalled everything. But behind these trim pieces and down here, I went ahead and applied this Dynamat all over back here. You can tell back here where these rear seats are. I also did the same thing. I went underneath the rear seats, applied this Dynamat, and then this sticky stuff right here. This additional foam sound deadening material was applied right on top of this Dynamat to help reduce cabin noise. Now we didn't stop here at the rear seats. We brought it down into the floorboard and as well as the front passenger's footwell. Now it might seem excessive to do this vehicle this way, but to reduce the noise coming off from the muffler and the road noise coming off the tires, it was worth it for me. Now there's many uses for this material on this car as well. Here I use it for this hood installation right here to help keep the installation up so it's not blocking the air vents right here. Additionally, I use it to absorb the vibrations coming off from the vehicle. So in this case, this relay box right here, I put it on the back side right here. That way, I don't get any of those vibrating noises when the car is idling. Now that's enough talk on this vehicle. Let's go ahead and put it on the road and we'll give it a road test. So we're back on the road, just cruising around. We're in 4th gear, doing about 70 kilometers. This is the road noise, just cruising around in 4th gear. Up here we're going to hit the interstate, see how much this sound deadening material is going to help as far as reducing the road noise. Put it in second and give it a hit. See what it sounds like. So right now we're doing about 73 miles an hour, about 3,000 RPMs. This is what the cabin sounds like. Cabin noise is definitely reduced without having this sound deadening material. This car was extremely loud and unbearable to drive. So even though this material might have added some weight, it makes the ride a whole lot more comfortable. Alright, we'll stop here. Let the car idle. This is what it sounds like idling inside the vehicle. Alright, we'll go ahead and give give it another hit. So this car, when it wants to get extremely loud, it can get really loud. Put it back in a second and get on this on-ramp. Now the good thing about this car, third gear takes it all the way up to about 145 kilometers. So this third gear is extremely long. It's definitely going to help out in the quarter mile time. So here we are, we're doing about 73, fifth gear, about 3,000 RPMs. This is what it sounds like. And this vehicle on my left side getting ready to pass me, I can't even hear it. We're back in the garage now. I didn't have a decibel meter, so I wasn't able to capture the actual decibel readings, but my microphone on this camera is pretty good. It's an external mic and it's able to pick up all the sounds. So hopefully it was enough to pick up those sounds from the vehicle to give you guys a good idea of how much this product works. So if your vehicle is too noisy after those aftermarket modifications, try using some kind of sound deadening material to help quieten down that vehicle. And remember to join us next time on Garage Matters and hit that like and subscribe button.